Welcome back. You're watching Markets at Noon on ET Now. Well, Bajaj Healthcare is in focus. A big news piece for them. They've received the DRDO license for the manufacture and sale of the 2DG drug. This is an approved medication for the treatment of COVID-19 patients. Let's welcome on the show Anil Jain, the Vice Chairman and Joint MD of Bajaj Healthcare Limited. Sir, thank you so much for joining us, and kudos to you on getting the approval for a very important drug at this juncture. Tell us a bit about it, the 2DG drug, the kind of science behind what it deploys for COVID treatment, and of course, I mean, the fact is that we are banged still in the midst, somewhere between the second wave and the possibility of a third wave is well coming by. So how do you see the market for the COVID medication shaping up?
Thank you very much. As you know, 2DG has been developed by DRDO, and in the clinical trial, the phase 3, it has shown a positive response against this virus. If you see the data, the dependency on the oxygen level has been reduced who has been given these 2DG drugs. The patients who are hospitalized were recovered in less than 3 days. So this is a very positive sign of this 2DG. The main mechanism of this drug is that it's an analog of the glucose. So the virus inside our body, they take this analog, treating them as a glucose. And when they take it, they does not get us energy. So due to that, the multiplication or the growth of the virus is restricted due to this drug, the 2DG.
Right. When we just talk about, development of the drugs, do you think that more and more drugs will come in? When do you expect this drug to hit the market? What will, how will you increase the production? Because the demand could be significantly high.
We have already geared up our production. We were developing this product from a long time, but we got a license from the DRDO. So hopefully within 3 weeks, we'll be able to launch this product. We have a huge capacity. We can manufacture API as well as the formulation. The formulation capacity is more than 50 lakh sachets per month. So it's a huge capacity, and we can build up new capacity. So there will be no what we call shortage of this drug as far as the Bajaj Healthcare is concerned, because we have a backward integration of making a 2DG.
What is the pricing like for the drug? If you could share a little details with that, and how does it compare with the existing drugs?
The pricing we have not come out yet, but it will be lower than the existing market players, because our strength is the manufacturing of API as well as the formulations. So we are not dependent upon any other for the API. So definitely our price will be lesser as compared to the other manufacturing in India.
So, I can understand, of course, one, of course, is India opportunity, what you're seeing. But you think over the next 5-6 years, this will be an important drug? Exports will be a huge opportunity, maybe not to the larger developed countries, but some of the other non-developed countries, those governments, have they approached you? Are you looking at that option?
I think we have been approached by two other countries who want this 2DG. And we are in the process of giving the documentation, getting our samples approved. So definitely in the next 3 to 4 years, this will be a good molecule for the virus, because it is directly reducing the load of the virus in the body due to the non-availability of the energy because of the glucose. They say it's an analog, and the virus gets reduced. So this molecule definitely help on this virus, and it has got a good potential.